Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how virtual assistants, VAs, are changing the game for entrepreneurs. Think of VAs as superpowered sidekicks tackling your to-do list, managing your schedule, and making your life easier. Let's break this down. Imagine a Swiss Army knife of skills, packed with administrative, technical, or creative expertise. VAs are self-employed professionals working remotely from anywhere with a decent internet connection. They handle tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, social media, bookkeeping, and graphic design. VAs free you up to focus on the big picture without the overhead of hiring a full-time employee. And because they're independent contractors, you don't have to worry about payroll taxes or benefits. VAs are like business superheroes with diverse skill sets. They handle classic administrative tasks like email management, calendar wrangling, and travel booking. VAs can also be digital marketing gurus, crafting content, scheduling posts, and building your online presence. Some specialize in areas like bookkeeping, customer service, or web design. You can create a custom team of VAs tailored to your business needs. It's like having a team of experts ready to tackle any challenge. Let's talk numbers. Virtual assistant, or VA, rates can vary widely, making it possible to find a VA that fits any budget, no matter how big or small. On popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, VAs typically charge anywhere from $18 to $35 per hour. However, it's not uncommon to find some VAs starting at $10 per hour, while others, with more specialized skills or extensive experience, may charge up to $100 per hour or even more. The key to making the right choice is finding the perfect balance between experience, expertise, and affordability. It's important to consider what specific skills you need and how much you're willing to invest in those skills. Remember, you're not just paying for their time, you're investing in their skills and dedication to streamline your workload. A good VA can help you save time, reduce stress, and increase productivity. Take the time to shop around, compare rates, and find a VA who aligns with your budget and business goals. Look at their reviews, past work, and even have a conversation with them to ensure they're the right fit for your needs. Investing in a VA is about working smarter, not harder. By delegating tasks to a skilled VA, you can focus on the core aspects of your business, knowing that the administrative or repetitive tasks are in capable hands. This strategic move can lead to significant growth and efficiency in your business operations. Convinced VAs are the secret sauce to success? Let's dive deeper into why virtual assistants are becoming indispensable in today's fast-paced business world. Let's break down the most in-demand services that VAs offer, making them a crucial part of any successful team. Customer service VAs handle inquiries, resolve issues, and provide top-notch support. They ensure that your customers feel valued and heard, which is essential for maintaining a loyal customer base. Internal email communications. VAs manage your inbox, filter spam, and draft responses. They keep your email organized so you never miss an important message and can focus on more critical tasks. Time management. VAs optimize your schedule and prioritize tasks. They help you stay on track, ensuring that deadlines are met and that your time is used efficiently. File management. VAs organize your digital files and documents. They ensure that everything is easily accessible and well organized, saving you time and reducing stress. Social media marketing. VAs craft content, schedule posts, manage accounts, and run ad campaigns. They help you maintain a strong online presence, engage with your audience, and grow your brand. These services ensure your business runs smoothly and efficiently. By taking care of these essential tasks, VAs free up your time to focus on strategic planning and growth. VAs help you focus on what truly matters. They handle the day-to-day operations, allowing you to concentrate on your core business activities and long-term goals. With VAs, you can achieve more in less time. Their support and expertise enable you to be more productive, efficient, and successful in your business endeavors. Ready to become a VA? Here's your roadmap to success. Invest in quality training courses to level up your skills. These courses can range from basic administrative tasks to advanced project management and specialized software training. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Figure out your niche. What are you passionate about and excel at? Whether it's social media management, customer service, or bookkeeping, identifying your niche helps you stand out in a crowded market. Setting your rates, research industry standards, and charge what you're worth. Don't undervalue your time and expertise. Consider your experience, the complexity of tasks, and the value you bring to clients. Build your online presence with a professional website or portfolio. This is your digital business card. Make sure it reflects your brand, showcases your skills, and includes a clear call to action. Showcase your services, experience, and testimonials. Positive feedback from previous clients can significantly boost your credibility and attract new business. Your virtual storefront is where potential clients learn about your superpowers. Make it easy for them to understand what you offer and how you can solve their problems. Don't be afraid to embrace the learning process. The digital world is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest tools and trends can give you a competitive edge. Highlight your transferable skills and focus on your strengths. Skills like communication, time management, and problem solving are invaluable and can be applied to various tasks and industries. The VA world offers flexibility and freedom to be your own boss. You can set your own hours, choose your clients, and work from anywhere. This career path not only provides professional growth but also a balanced lifestyle. Let's address some frequently asked questions about VAs. Can you become a VA with zero experience? Absolutely. Everyone starts somewhere. Certifications aren't mandatory but can boost your credibility. Many VAs work part-time, making it ideal for students, parents, or side hustlers. Set your own hours and choose your clients. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The world of VAs is vast and growing. Let us know in the comments if you're thinking about becoming a VA. See you in the next video.